Hi everyone, Rachana here, and I am here to show you two stunning collections by Lemoncraft which are right now available. You can get either individual items or there is a bundle deal also, so please check it out below description box, and there is a link. So one collection called Yolitide, I hope I pronounced it right. So these are comparatively small collections. They usually have 6x6 paper pad also and a ephemera also, but this is small and sweet collection, I can say. So this collection has some buttons, which are these 4-piece buttons, super cute, and it's most traditional collection since it has a poinsettias, bells, some gingerbread, some these pine cones, and lots of like traditional things are here. So you can see this cardstock cut apart A4 size page. Back side is plain, and this one lots of wreaths, very pretty and stunning images. So these two, and then there is a 12x12 collection set which I already opened from the plastic wrap since I need to show you each and every paper. So you can see this part is usable, and this image also, even this part is usable since it has a back side, double side, so you can use this page also. And there is super traditional page, very pretty, and back side is like this, or maybe this is the front side. And then this one, so cute, all crackled effect on the page itself. I love this style of the bells, so cute. And then back side is like that. And then this one has lots of berries, leaves, and pine cones, and the wooded side, another side. And these three papers are here in the 3 different colors. Super cute, super pretty designs, very traditional design. And the back side has this one, so cute. I love these colors together. And then it has this pattern paper pad which called Basics, and it has all these designs, and this one also has a background paper, I think. Yeah, super cute page. And there are different types of wood grains inside, and the back side is this scripted. Next, scripted back side. So there are several colors here, so many colors. It's really useful page. These are different shades, if you can see, similar but they are not. You can see they are different shades, and I think these are 2 of each, so you can see. So these are the 6 colors, the light parrot green kind of green, then sage green, and then this rustic red, and lightish color than this one, and then this light brown color, and the dark brown color, and that's it. So these are the papers in this collection, so please check it out. Everything is listed, and it's all ready to ship. So I will show you the another stunning collection which called Sweet Secret. So here is the collection called Sweet Secret, and this collection has everything but 6x6 papers. So for a change they came up with A4 paper pad, which is most popular size right now. So this one has these ephemeras. I will show you inside. These are very nice and big size ephemeras. You can see these must be 4x4 squares, and they are single sided. Beautiful. and then they have 5 by 5 size, no, 5 by 1 2 3 4 5 by 4. Super cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow, so cute, so cute, so cute. My goodness, I'm in love. So pretty. And they also have these 6 by 6. Let me check if they are 6 by 6. No, these are 5.5 by 5.5. Super cute. We can easily make 6 by 6 card using these ones. It's a perfect for layering. Amazing papers. I can't wait to make my own cards. So cute, so cute. Wow, very pretty. So these are the ephemeras from this collection, and then this one has this 4-piece button set. Oh my god, absolutely pretty, so cute. And then of course I'm always in love with their A4 cardstock cut apart, which they called vintage time, and this one is really pretty, well designed, and they all are one-sided. Look at this one, OMG, so pretty. And this one, really pretty. And I always love these butterflies. And then I'm very excited to see the A4 paper pad, so let's check it out. Nice. And this one has a 14 double-sided papers, 2 pieces per design. I'm so glad they have 2 pieces. So even the back side is also has a very pretty design. Oh my goodness, stunning. See, I will just keep it like that so you can see. Wow, my goodness, so cute, isn't it? I am sure these are going to be sold out so fast. Nice. Wow, so pretty. Amazing, right? Amazing papers. So again, this one start. So cute. So this is our A4 size, and then let's check the 12 by 12 size. Let's check it out, our 12 by 12 size. Amazing. Again, everything is usable. Back side, it's so stunning. I love this page, so cute. And this one, stunning papers, very shabby chic papers. And these are 6 pages, like 12 double-sided pages, so 6 double-sided. Super cute. Oh my gosh, so pretty, so pretty. So how many pages we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 double-sided pages, and 7th one is like this. So we have almost 7 pages. So amazing papers, and I always like their pattern papers. Super cute, super pretty. So let's check inside. And these are 12 double-sided, 2 pieces of each design. Plenty of papers. So front page is like this. Amazing. And I love these colors. It goes perfectly with any type of shabby project. So cute. Nice. So this collection is available right now. I see right now they are selling fast. I'm so happy. Okay, so I hope you will check the below links. Since these are international papers, it will take some time to reach here. So once they are available, please get a chance and check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.